the DSA does not define disinformation, and it does not oblige any platform to take it down. This is particularly because of the concerns that may arise with free speech, because misinformation, as we know, is not illegal per se. It's not illegal to say it's not illegal to say false things. And this is why the onus of the regulation and the key focus of it is really looking at where the harm is created, right? So it's about the algorithmic systems that may propense harm, which is not created when there's individual pieces of falsehood. Also, just to say, so the DSA approached it from the perspective of so freedom of speech. I think often we think of freedom of speech as sort of an absolute right, but it has to be understood within all of the charter rights. There's over 50 of them, and they all have to be balanced against each other. So protecting freedom of speech isn't removing only barriers to the ability to speak freely. It is also about creating an environment where all voices can be heard. And so we, of course, also know that there are situations where, because one voice or some voices can speak so freely, they can also harass others and thereby remove those from the space of free speech. So this is also about setting the sort of guardrails to allow free speech to actually be free. So this is also within this risk management framework, is to balance freedom of speech with removal of illegal content, with addressing algorithmic risks. Yeah.